Hey guys, Sean here, and something you should know about me is that I really love my Tesla Model 3, but when you compare it to the interior of other cars like the Model S and Model X, well, my Model 3 is a bit naked. When I sat in the back seat of a Model S and I saw that rear screen display, I thought this is exactly what is missing in my Model 3. Not anymore though. Thanks to the amazing folks at Pimp My EV, they sent me this rear screen display that sits in the armrest of my car. But before we dive into all that, I do want to mention that Pimp My EV did send me this as a review unit, but they had no say on the making of this video. They didn't ask for any talking points. In fact, they didn't even ask to see the video before it was released. So all the thoughts expressed here are mine and mine alone. And something else you should know about me is I don't feature many products on my page unless I genuinely like them. This is a product that I absolutely love. Now, when it comes to the installation process, it was actually quite simple. There was no screws or no drilling. I simply pulled off a few panels off of my armrest, plugged it into the existing plug, so it's pretty much plug and play, then reinstalled the panels, and I was pretty much done. Very easy to do. I'm not going to get too detailed into how I installed it because there's a bunch of other videos on YouTube that explain that really thoroughly. I'll have a link to one down below in the description. And once installed, the screen looks stock. It looks like it came with the vehicle. It functions almost identically to how the infotainment center does in the Model 3, but slightly better. Let me explain. And one of the best examples of this is you're able to plug in a USB thumb drive into the screen itself and play media right from the screen itself. And best of all, the audio is synced to the Bluetooth in your car. Passengers in the back seat now have the ability to control the climate and heated seats in the back of the car, which makes me ask, like, seriously, Tesla, why didn't you just include this in the Model 3 and Model Y? Something else I should mention is the screen is compatible with both the Model 3 and the Model Y. And when it comes to the screen's actual specs, it's an IPS display that's 1024 by 600. It has excellent viewing angles with internal storage that's 32 gigs. Additionally, you can load the Google Play Store and download apps directly onto the device. Now, at time of filming this video, the unit is $849.99 US, which is totally worth it. I'll have it linked below. It's not my affiliate link, so if you purchase from there, I won't benefit or anything like that. It's just a screen for your car that I actually highly recommend. So tell me, what are your guys' thoughts? Is this something that you would want in your Model 3 or in your Model Y? Are you considering picking one up? Do you have any questions that I haven't answered in this video? Drop your questions below, let me know, and I'll do my best to get back to you. Lastly, remember, if you enjoyed this video, remember to hit that like button and subscribe to see more videos like this one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.